Hello Tech Explorers, need to contact Telegram support? It's quick and easy, and I'll show you how in just few simple steps. Let's go. First, open the Telegram app and tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Next, tap on Settings and scroll down and select Ask a Question. You'll be presented with two options. Go to Frequently Asked Questions or Ask a Volunteer. Pick the option that best suits your needs, and from there you will be able to contact Telegram support. Have you ever reached out to Telegram support? Let me know in the comments below. And that's it. You have successfully contacted Telegram support. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.